Hi guys, welcome to Blazing Ray. So I thought of this. It's a computer stand. So you can use how many sides you want for the base and also for the length, both of it. And then you take these, and if you don't have these, you can use another one of these, but you have to make some changes. So you have to put special pins, if you have these, on the very end. Then you take this and you flip it and you put it. So you get that nice standing position. And then this is for the stopper so your laptop won't slide forward. And you put this inside like that. So you take another piece and you have to make it exactly symmetrical enough, and you can add whatever length you want, just don't make it too weak or it won't break. So you just connect these and make them secure enough so they won't fall off. So now it's super strong, and if you put a laptop on it, it's quite good. It holds for a good amount, and it's quite high enough so you can let air out and be ventilated. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.